Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Saiga 12. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well. I like my AKM that I folded just recently. You can check that out and other videos. And please consider subscribing, okay? So, first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you're gonna fold a boat base. So first I'm gonna be folding a water bomb base. So first you wanna fold it in half. Then you're gonna sink the top to make the boat base, okay? Then you wanna fold it in half again, like this. Okay, then you wanna open up this pocket right here and fold that down, like so. Then you wanna flip it over and you wanna do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down. Okay. And now you see this triangle right here. You want to fold that right up to that edge right there and make sure it's in that center crease line. Okay. Like so. And make a good crease because you're going to be sinking this inside. Okay. So now, of course, you're going to be sinking this triangle inside the model. So you want to unfold that triangle. Then you want to unfold, you want to open up that whole area. Okay, like so. So now you see that square, that smaller square in the middle. So you're going to fold up all the crease line on the side, like so. Okay, and now you're going to be folding down on the center portion, this square. So you're going to follow the crease line right here and fold that down. So see that triangle right here? You want to fold that triangle down. Then you see that triangle here as well. You're going to fold that too. Okay? Fold that down like that. Okay, so your model should look like this. So the longer edge on top and the shorter edge on the bottom. And now I'm going to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, so bring that shorter edge towards the back like that and up to the top. Okay. Like so. And now you're going to make a crease line right in the middle. Okay, right here. So in the same direction, fold it in half again. Okay, like this. Then you want to unfold. Okay, make sure you press down on the crease line. Okay, and now you're going to take that back flap on the bottom and fold it all the way down like this, okay, to the center line. And now you're going to fold this back portion and you're going to sink it right inside, okay? So you want to kind of pull this down just a little bit or all the way so you can see that little triangle on top right here. Okay, and you see that crease line that we just folded before on the side. You want to fold that right up to that triangle right there, okay? So fold that crease line right up there, and again right there, and now fold right across that triangle to connect the crease line right here. Okay, that, then fold it down. Okay, and now you're gonna flip it over to the back side. So you see all the slant right here. Okay, and you want to open up the pocket right here on the back. And now if you look, there's a longer side and there's a shorter side right here. And you see that corner right there on the shorter side corner. You're going to fold that right up to the bottom edge right here, okay? So fold this down and until that corner lines up with the bottom edge, okay? So as you can see right there, okay, or about there, okay, and fold that down. Okay, then flip it over to the front and you see that triangle right here, or that point. You want to fold that down like so to make the pistol grip, okay, and make a crease right there. Then unfold like so, and then open this pocket right here, then fold from the inside like that, okay? And now you see the front portion and you see that top piece right here. You want to fold that all the way up until that center line. Like so. So your model should look like this. So there's a slant here, slant there. Make sure it's in the right direction. And now, if you look right here, there's that little corner right there, right here. Okay, you're gonna fold that corner down all the way to that center line, okay? So if you run your finger, so open up this pocket, run your finger right there, you're gonna run into that corner right there, and you're gonna push it all the way down. So if you look right here, there's a pocket right there, and you see that corner, then you're gonna fold that all the way down, okay? Like that, okay? And now, you see that top edge right there? You're gonna fold that in half. So there's already a crease line in the middle. Okay, so you're gonna bring that top edge all the way to the bottom, and make sure you open up a little bit of that pocket to get the rest of that edge. Okay, and now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So flip it over to the back and fold this top edge all the way to that bottom edge. Same thing, just open up a little bit of that pocket right there to get that rest of that edge, and this pocket thing that comes down with it, fold it down as well. Okay, and now we're gonna fold down this hand guard right here. So you want to open up this pocket like so and fold it all the way down. So make sure this edge is flat, okay, and the corner match, and the center crease line is in the center. Okay, then fold that all the way down, and then you're gonna fold in that triangle right here in the front. So you see that front corner, so you're gonna bring this triangle all the way up to that corner right there. Okay, and make sure the bottom edge match. Okay, okay, unfold, then fold it right inside. So you want to open up this pocket right there. I can get to it, okay, and then fold that triangle right inside. Okay, and now you're gonna fold this whole thing inside the barrel. So you want to open up the barrel right here, the pocket underneath, then bring those flap inside, the one in the back too, that triangle. Okay, the whole thing inside. And now you see this front triangle portion right here. So you're gonna fold that inside as well. So pre-crease it. So you see that triangle right there. You're gonna fold that triangle right up to that corner, and also make sure that bottom edge match as well, and neatly fold it and unfold, then open up the pocket and bring that triangle right inside. Okay, then you're going to zigzag fold right here, so leaning against this edge, bring this back, then fold it back forward. Okay, then fold the barrel kind of in thirds, so bring that bottom edge and bring it about third way up. Okay, so this column should roughly equal the same length as this column, or just fold just a little bit of the edge up. Doesn't have to be in thirds. Okay, now the stock. So you want to fold in fold that triangle inside. So you see that corner again. So fold this whole triangle right there. Then open up the pocket, open the triangle back up, or unfold it. Then open up the pocket right here. Then fold that triangle right inside. Okay. And bring this edge right up to that center crease line, like so. And now bring that corner right on top, right here, if it will focus, right there. Bring that right up to that back edge. Okay. And now you're going to fold that top edge, and at the same time you're going to fold that corner in, okay? So fold that top edge, okay, down like that. And when you get to that corner, fold that corner back as well, okay? So let me fix that up. So it should look like this. Okay, and now you're gonna fold a little bit of the edge up to shape out the stock, of course, all the way up to that corner right there. Okay. Okay, and now you're gonna make the cheek portion of the stock. I don't know the term for it, but hold about there. So there should be like a little bit of a imprint right there, that line where that triangle thing should be. Then bring that all the way up. Okay, then kind of fold in that edge and make it line up with the bottom edge. Okay. So yeah, here's my Saiga 12. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.